up, y'all? I've landed on the island.
How you doing? Good to meet you. You too. This is Morgan Fox, our general
Morgan.
manager.
Hi, Rob. Welcome to Albury Landing.
Thank you so much.
We made you a little
what do we
signature
got
block there.
here?
That is a Albury Punch.
And I have landed. Now I understand why you call it the Albury Landing.
That's exactly right.
Wow. Look at this.
Well, this is Albury Landing. We're super excited to show it to you, and it might be a good time to maybe start walking around.
Yeah, I love it.
Giving you a tour. Morgan, you want to maybe go inside and get things ready for the beach?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is one way to start Florida, right?
Listen, this is Albury Landing. This is our waterfront area, our pool and backyard space. From our Serenity Beach, Peninsula Beach, to the point at Albury Landing, which is more of our wedding beach, it's a little larger space out there, to the pool, obviously, which is behind you. We also have a beautiful fire pit. One of the amenities that we really like to have people enjoy is our outdoor living space. So we have a beautiful TV and couch area. To the left is our fitness room. So we have a yoga room and we have a gym in there if you like to be outdoors and having a nice workout while you're here. We also, by the way, have lots of opportunities to have yoga instruction here, massages here. That can all happen in that space or right here on the pool deck or on the beach.
This is where people are hanging out.
Yeah.
Let's go see where people are sleeping.
I'd love to show it to you.
This is one of those properties where I don't want to sleep. I just want to keep hanging out. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there because it's gonna turn into way too much of a fun tour if I keep drinking that.
That's also part of being in the Keys, so it's totally okay.
But I got a long journey ahead of me. You know, I can't just stay here, although as much as I'd want to the entire time. But man, you have built a wonder here.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. We just walked in off of the beautiful large veranda that we have here with the big outdoor dining table, club chairs. We have an outdoor barbecue.
And so what's on this side?
You have the primary bedroom here. It's a beautiful bedroom with its own balcony space, its own ensuite bathroom. The primary and the junior primary both have soaking tubs in them. The guest bedrooms on this side, which is our what we call guest room 3 and 4, also have their own ensuite bathrooms, but they're just beautiful big wet showers, just like everything else.
Can you kind of walk me through what that giant wall mural was?
Sure. It's just a representation of all the people that helped get us to where we are today.
Okay, so this is the main house, and then I see, so you have one more house that's not attached that people could stay at as well.
Right, that's our ocean villa. And then we also have 3 more villas, the Garden, Palm, and Bay Villa around the other side of the house. We have a phenomenal interior design group called Studio IDC that helped us build out all of our interiors. And I think we've done a nice job to make it soft and special and you know, inviting.
Yeah, the attention to detail. You know, I look around and I always just say, for something that is brand new, it feels cozy. It feels very high end, but like also like I'm not afraid to like sit on the couch.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's what we were shooting for. We wanted to feel really inviting.
Yeah, you did.
I appreciate that.
But you know, like every good house I see, I have to go see another. But before we go, I feel like we should get a couple more Aubrey drinks, hang out with the friends.
Sure.
You know, try to soak up the last few minutes I have here.
Sure.
You know, because that drink was really good.